Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to tell you how to start a business and sell products on Facebook without an investment and how to make money online, so stay tuned. So how do we earn money using Facebook and using the internet? We earn money through a process called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when we sell someone else's product and we earn a commission. Basically, people want to sell their products, but they don't want to invest in marketing, so we take it and we do that marketing for them online and we make sales, and whenever we make a sale we earn a portion of that earning, right? So it's an opportunity for someone to start selling a product without having a product online, which, if you think about it, Facebook is the digital equivalent to a very busy mall. There are a lot of people on Facebook at all times. People are just looking around, liking things, sharing things, talking about stuff, right? And so the key here is that we have marketplaces that offer us products we can promote, and we have a very crowded digital place where we can promote those products. So if we mix the two of them to where we can promote those products online through Facebook, we can start making a lot of money. Now, we need to make sure that we are sharing products that people will be interested into the communities to which they go, right? So we are going to start offering stuff to people who will be interested in them. So out of all of the people on Facebook, some of them like electronics, and those people who like electronics visit certain type of communities, and those people who go to those communities buy electronics often. So we want to share electronics to them. We don't want to share books. We don't want to share DIY projects. We don't want to share anything that might not be to their interest because they're less likely to buy it. So first off, we need to understand this whole process in order to take the steps to start our business. And so now that we have a wide idea of how this works, we take a traffic place, we take a link from affiliate marketing, we share that link on a post, people click on it, they buy it, and we make money. Now let's see step by step how to start this business and how to get this done. We first need to decide what kind of product we want to sell. For example, I think books is a great product to get started with because it's very easy to recommend a book, and there are a lot of people out there who buy books often and they enjoy reading book after book after book. So if you are one of those people and you want to share books, Amazon Associates is one of the greatest places for you to take a look at some of the books they have. If you sign up to Amazon Associates, which is free, you have the ability to offer all of Amazon's products, and you will make money every time someone buys one of them. And as you know, Amazon is very well known, so people buy a lot from Amazon, and so you have a big chance of earning money through selling one of their products. So let's take a look at some of the products that you could be selling. For example, this hard drive. This hard drive right here is being sold on Facebook on a group called Tips and Reviews, where they make reviews and give tips about products you can buy. Now we can also take this and take it to some kind of electronics groups or gaming groups or video editing groups, anyone who might need some kind of external hard drive. And those people, when they buy this hard drive, the person who shared that link will make money. So make sure to start by picking a product, going to the marketplaces, sign up and find a product. Now there's plenty of marketplaces out there. Amazon Associates is just the first one. We also have ClickBank, we also have CJ Affiliates, we also have ShareASell. All three of those are great affiliate marketplaces, and there's plenty more out there. So if you do a little bit of research on Google and search for affiliate marketplaces, you'll find plenty of results to which you can sign up to and start sharing their products. Now, why is it important for you to sign up to many? Because the wider range of products that you can pick from, the better products you're going to choose, right? If you have more options, you can pick better products, start posting them online, start earning money. Now pick a niche, pick a product, start sharing it and start earning. Once you start sharing those posts, once you start earning, you should start reinvesting your money into Facebook ads. This is why Facebook is important too. Facebook is a great way to promote those products, and sometimes if you just reinvest one or two of those 20 sales that you got in the first 2 months, you will be able to make 40-60 sales by the third month. So make sure you are reinvesting some of the money you're earning. Make sure you're signing up to affiliate marketplaces. Make sure you find those communities on Facebook, and make sure you start sharing those personalized links so you can start making money. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that this was helpful to you. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, please subscribe to the channel. We make videos about making money online, and we hope that you find them helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and see you later.